Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In this video, we will discuss problems on chapter coordinate geometry. So let's start with MCQ. First is point P is midpoint of segment AB, where A is -4, 2, coordinates of B 6, 2. Then find coordinates of point P. So as B is given midpoint, P is given midpoint. So by using midpoint formula, we have x is equal to x1 plus x2 upon 2, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon 2. So put here values, we get x is equal to 1, y is equal to 2. So option B is correct one. Then distance between point P 2, 2 and Q P, x is 5 centimeter. Then find value of x. So P is given 2, 2, Q is given 5, x, and distance between P and Q is 5. So we are using distance formula. Distance formula is distance PQ is equal to under root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. So put here values of x1 and x2. Okay, we get here 25 is equal to 9 plus x minus 2 bracket square. Then x minus 2 square is equal to 16. Taking square root, we get x minus 2 is equal to plus minus 4. Then for value plus 4 value, we get x is equal to 6. For minus 4 value, we get x is equal to minus 2. So option B is here because 6 is given. Then distance between point P coordinate -1, 1 and Q 5 -7 each. So 2 points are given. Just simply use distance formula. We get PQ is equal to 10. Okay. If length of segment joining point L x, 7 and point M 1, 15 is 10 centimeter, then find value of x. So again use distance formula. Distance between L and M is given 10 centimeter. Put values of x2, x1 here. We get two values of x. 1 minus x square is coming 36 here. So 1 taking square root, we get plus minus 6. Then using plus 6, we get x is equal to -5, and using -6, we get x is equal to 7. Okay, so option B 7 or -5 is correct one. Then find distance between point A -3, 4 and origin. So we have formula distance from origin is equal to under root x square plus y square. Put values of x and y, we get distance as a 5. So option C. Next, if point P 1, 1 divide segment joining point A and B -1, 1 in ratio 5:2, find coordinate of point A. So A and B is segment divided by point P in ratio 5:2. Then by using section formula, x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 upon m plus n. Put values here, we get x1 equals to 6. Same, y is equal to my2 plus ny1 upon m plus n. Put values, we get y1 is equal to 6. So x1, y1, that is coordinate of A, are 6, 6. So option B. Next, if segment AB is parallel to y-axis and coordinates of A are 1, 3, find coordinates of point B. As line is parallel to y-axis, its x coordinate is always remains constant. So take see given options and find out in which option a x coordinate is remaining constant. And if we see carefully, in option D, x coordinate is remaining constant. So the coordinate of point B, will be 1 minus 3. So option D is correct one. If point P is midpoint of segment joining A and point B, then coordinate of point P are, okay, as P is midpoint, so use midpoint theorem, we get coordinates as 1, 2. So option B is correct one. 9. If segment P divides AB in ratio 1:3, where A minus 5 3 and B 3 minus 5, then find coordinates of point P. As point P divides line in the ratio 1:3, therefore by using section formula we get x is equal to minus 3, y is equal to 1. So option is C. Next, if sum of x coordinates of vertices of triangle is 12 and sum of y coordinates of triangle is 9, then coordinates of centroid. So we have to find out centroid, coordinates of centroid. So use centroid formula. X is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y is equal to y1 plus y2 upon y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. Putting values, we get x is equal to 4, y is equal to 3. Then one more questions. When coordinates of point of intersection of the graph of equation x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3. Okay, as x is equal to 2, y is equal to minus 3, point of intersection will be xy, that is 2 minus 3. Next, find distance between points A and B. Coordinates of A and B are given. Simple, use distance formula. We get AB as 5. Coordinates of diameters of AB of diameter AB of circle are A 2,7, B 4,5. Find coordinate of center. As center is the midpoint of diameter, therefore use midpoint formula. We get xy as 3,6. Write x coordinate and y coordinate of point P. So first is x coordinate minus 5, second coordinate is always y coordinate 4. What is coordinate of origin? Coordinate of origin are 0, 0. And find distance of point A 6, 8 from origin. So for this we have formula, distance from origin is equal to root x square plus y square. Putting values, we get this distance is equal to 10. Find coordinate of midpoint joining points 2, 6 and 8, 2. So by using midpoint formula, we get x is equal to 3, y is equal to 4. Next, find coordinates of centroid of triangle whose vertices are 4, 7, then 8, 4 and 7, 11. So by using centroid formula, x is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 upon 3, y is equal to y1 plus y2 plus y3 upon 3. We get coordinate of centroid as 19 upon 3 and 22 upon 3. Then find distance between origin 0, 0 and B minus 5, 12. So use simple formula, distance from origin, and you can directly use distance formula, that is root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Here x1 and y1 are 0, so distance is coming 13. And find coordinate of midpoints of point 0, 2 and 12, 14. So use midpoint formula, we get coordinate of xy as 6, 8. So in this way we have discussed MCQs and 1 mark problems from chapter coordinate geometry. If you have any doubt, you can contact to us on our WhatsApp number provided. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, share this video with your friends and subscribe our channel. Thank you.